The AI era has officially begun, and three giants are fighting for the future of the cloud. Google, Microsoft, Amazon. These companies are spending tens of billions of dollars building data centers, developing AI chips, and creating the infrastructure that will power everything from robotics to finance to entertainment. But the real question is, who's winning the AI cloud race in 2025? And more importantly, what does that mean for investors, developers, and the future of technology? Let's break it down. The history of the cloud war. Before AI dominated headlines, the battle was about storage, servers, and enterprise workloads. Amazon Web Services, AWS, launched in 2006, becoming the first major cloud provider. It was the pioneer that introduced the world to cloud computing. Microsoft Azure entered soon after, backed by Microsoft's massive enterprise relationships. Google Cloud was the late arrival, strong in data and engineering, but slower to market. For years, AWS led the pack. Azure climbed steadily, and Google remained in third place. But everything changed with AI. Suddenly, the cloud wasn't just about hosting. It became the backbone of the world's intelligence. Where they stand in 2025, Microsoft Azure, the AI king, for now. Microsoft rose to the top by betting early and aggressively on artificial intelligence. Its partnership with OpenAI gave it unmatched access to cutting-edge models like GPT, and Azure integrated them deeply into its infrastructure. Azure now markets itself as the AI-first cloud, powering tools like Microsoft 365 Copilot and enterprise AI solutions for governments, banks, and Fortune 500 companies. Amazon AWS, still the cloud. Backbone AWS remains the largest cloud provider by market share. Its infrastructure is global, stable, and trusted, especially by developers. Amazon is racing to catch up in generative AI with its own chips, Trainium and Inferentia, and its Anthropic partnership. AWS doesn't dominate AI yet, but its scale gives it massive advantage. Google Cloud, the deep AI innovator. Google has been doing AI longer than anyone. TensorFlow, Transformers, the TPU chips, and DeepMind. In 2025, Google Cloud is growing faster than Azure and AWS, thanks to supercharged AI workloads, native startups, massive investments in Gemini models. Google leads in pure AI research, but still trails in enterprise adoption. So who wins? Well, it depends what you measure. The AI technology comparison. 1. AI models, Microsoft, OpenAI, GPT models, enterprise-ready, deeply integrated. Google, Gemini, DeepMind models, cutting-edge research, Amazon, Anthropic's Claude, plus Amazon's own foundation models. Microsoft dominates commercial adoption, Google leads innovation, and Amazon builds ecosystems. 2. AI chips and hardware AWS. Trainium plus Inferentia, high-performance, low-cost AI chips. Google, TPU v5, incredibly fast, optimized for AI training. Microsoft, new Azure Maya AI chips plus NVIDIA superclusters. AWS has scale. Google has speed. Microsoft has flexibility. 3. Data center power. All three are building giant AI data centers at record speed. But Microsoft currently has the largest AI capacity expansion planned, powered by billions invested in NVIDIA GPUs and Maya chips. 4. Developer ecosystems. AWS. Most mature, widely used tools. Azure. Strongest enterprise integrations. Google Cloud. Best for AI scientists and data engineers. Each cloud appeals to different audiences, which is why all three keep growing. Money and market shares. Still number one, AWS remains the biggest cloud business in the world. Its recurring revenue and margin strength give Amazon enormous financial power. Microsoft Azure, fastest growth. Azure has outpaced competitors in growth for years, thanks to AI and enterprise adoption. Google Cloud. The underdog rocket, Google Cloud, has turned profitable and is now the fastest growing segment of Alphabet, especially with AI native startups choosing GCP. Market share looks roughly like AWS, biggest Azure, strong second GCP, fast rising third. The order hasn't changed, but the gap is shrinking. Who wins the future? The AI cloud race isn't decided by revenue, but by who shapes the next generation of intelligence. Here's the outlook. Microsoft wins if companies want an all-in-one AI suite with GPT built in. Amazon wins if scale, price, and reliability remain the top priority. Google wins if AI systems grow more complex and require cutting-edge research and supercomputers. In reality, the world won't choose just one. All three will continue to expand. But the balance of power could shift dramatically as AI demands explode. So who's winning the AI cloud race in 2025? Microsoft leads today, Amazon still dominates the core cloud market, and Google is the rising force in AI research. But the bigger truth is this. The real winner is the company that builds the AI infrastructure for the entire planet. And that battle is far from over. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and comment which company you think will dominate the AI future.